this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change the billing address of your card in your Apple Wallet. So be sure to watch the video until the end so you do not miss any steps, and let's go ahead and get started. First thing, you want to go ahead and open up the Wallet app. And once you are here, you're going to scroll down and select the card, which address you want to change. So I'm just going to select this card right here. Once I've tapped on the card, I'll go ahead and tap on the three dots on the top right corner. And I will see three options that show up. There's an option that says card number, card details, and notifications. And I want to tap on the card details option. Once I'm here, I will scroll down and there will be an option that says billing address. So you simply want to tap on that, and there will be an option that says enter new billing address. And once you are at this page, you will simply go ahead and search up your new address or the address you want to change it to. And once you have typed the address, just like that, you will have changed your billing address. You will fill in your name, last name, your address, state, city, zip code, and country. And you would simply press done. And just like that, you have changed your billing address on your card in your Apple Wallet.